Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ruth Chari, and on this channel I share a lot of natural hair videos, makeup videos, and sometimes vlogs. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a spring twist wig, and the hair that I use is by Angels. It's called Guest Girl, and I used it in color number 2, and I used 1.5 packs. So this hair goes for 340, but the prices keep on varying depending on where you buy the hair. So I have tried long spring twist before, but this time around I wanted to try short spring twist. So instead of using the hair the way it is from the pack, I decided to cut the hair into half for me to be able to have this desired length. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I enjoyed making this wig. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram as well, because that's where I am mostly active. And until next time, guys, bye. What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's called Guest Girl. It's by Angels, and I used it in color number 2. So now I'm going to be showing you how to twist the hair. Of course, I have a video dedicated to showing you how to twist spring twists, but for the sake of my new subscribers, I'm going to repeat this process, or rather this step. So yeah, guys, you're going to be overlaying the hair on top of each other without using force or without using energy, because we want to have a springy effect. When you twist the hair just like the normal twist, then you're not going to have a springy effect, and hence you're not going to have spring twist. Okay. So this is how the hair is supposed to look like. Once you're done twisting, it's supposed to look like a spring. So I'm going to be repeating this process again. We're going to be overlaying the hair on top of each other without using force or without using energy, or in other words, you're not going to be twisting the hair beforehand, or rather before placing it on top of each other. I hope I'm making sense, guys, because these videos are meant for learning purposes, and I would really feel bad if I am doing this video and then you're not learning anything. Okay, so you're going to be placing the hair on top of each other without using force or without using energy. So this is where the wig making process begins, and of course we'll need a few things. So the first thing that we need is a wig cap, and I use this wig cap that has a lace. We'll need some needle, we'll need some yarn, hairpins, and some scissors. So now I'm going to be attaching the hair onto the wig cap by sewing it down, and there's no technique to sewing any hair, guys. I'm only making sure that the hair is tight enough so that it doesn't come off. So I'm going to be repeating the same process towards the rest of the wig cap by attaching the hair onto the wig cap and making sure that the hair is tight so that it doesn't come off. And something that I forgot to mention is that when you're sewing the hair, you have to make sure that you leave spaces in between the wig cap, because if you don't leave spaces, then you're going to have bulk hair that is not going to look very good at the end. So make sure that you leave spaces in between the wig cap. So next I'm going to add these pins, and these pins are going to act as a marker so that I don't sew the hair past the pins. So there's no difference when it comes to sewing the hair onto the lace. I'm going to be repeating the same process that I did when I was sewing the other part of the wig cap that had no lace. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because that's where I'm mostly active. And something that I forgot to mention, guys, is that onto the lace part, make sure that you apply a foundation of your color so that the lace can match
the color of your face. And also I am making this wig for clients, so if you want this wig to be custom made for you, whether you want it long, you want it short, you want it in a different color, please let me know on my comment section, or please DM me on Instagram, and I'll be able to tell you about the price and everything like that. So until next time guys, bye.